You may have heard of a procedure called All-on-4. It's kind of popular out there. And what that refers to is to replace all your teeth with 4 implants. Many implants require more than 4 because they're smaller in diameter. All-on-4s are made from conventional implants with a metal framework that connects them together. So you have 4 implants with a metal framework supporting all the teeth. They work as long as all the 4 implants are good. Lose 1 implant and you lose the whole case. That's the weak point on them. The other thing, and the reason I don't do them, is 2 reasons. Number 1, if you lose one, you're back, you can't really fix them. So you have to redo the whole thing. They also, a conventional implant takes more room in this direction. They're longer. And in order to have room to make the teeth over the top of them, in some circumstances, not all, they actually have to shave your jawbone down to create more room. Just the opposite of what we preserve bone at all costs. It's valuable. It's very expensive to try to graft it back once it's gone. So no, we don't want to take bone away. We want to preserve what you have, and the way to do that, in my opinion, is use multiple small diameter implants that go in painlessly and serve the same function, with the added benefit of if one goes, you don't lose the whole case. So if you think you might be interested in something, an alternative to the All-on-4s, we've got the mini dental implants. You might call them All-on-10s. Usually that's the minimum I use for those. Okay.